This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com. In this video I'm going to show you the Swim Check Fix Phosphate. And this is a unique product that's going to help eliminate phosphates in the pool. And each one of these tablets is designed to eliminate 500 parts per billion of phosphates and 10,000 gallons of water. And to easily check the phosphate level in a pool, you can use the Swim Check Phosphate test. And these are test strips that will give you your phosphate level. And these test strips are really easy to use, and you can find out your phosphate level by easily matching the color on the side. And now you'll take the included vial and you'll line it up here to see what color it is. You can see this one is pretty blue, so I'm going to say it's about 1,000 parts per billion here. And I think this is one of the easier phosphate test strips to use. And you can see a really distinct color change here when testing with this particular phosphate test strip. And since these tablets dissolve slowly, there's no need to clean the pool filter when you're doing this treatment, nor will this make the pool cloudy. So you would just put the appropriate number of tablets in your skimmer, and then they'll dissolve over the course of 30 days, slowly releasing the phosphate remover into the water. So I'm back here after a week. You can see the tablets are dissolving nicely. And you can see the phosphate level has dropped significantly in here. So the phosphate level is definitely dropping down. So it's been over 2 weeks. We're going to get a phosphate level here. So the phosphate level has definitely dropped significantly here. I think it's pretty close to zero. Definitely under 200. So it's been 1 month, and let me go ahead and test the phosphate level here. And you can see the phosphate level is 0 here. If you're looking for an effective way to remove phosphates from a pool, the Swim Check Fix Phosphate is a great way to remove the phosphates without having the pool cloud up or having to clean the filter. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.